Hi there, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services, your Roof Max dealer of southern Wisconsin and northern Illinois. We're doing a roof inspection / deciding if we should get it cleaned or not. If you look at the back of the house, you can look at this plumbing boot, how it has those cracks in it. That's definitely something that we would want to get addressed because that's an entry point for water. So once we get that, basically we're going to put a new rubber seal, a rubber boot over top of that. We don't actually have to do a full replacement. That'll allow us to make sure there's no entry point for water there, and that's part of a full roof tune-up. So when we're on your roof doing any sort of maintenance, the first thing I'm going to do is trim back any of these branches that are touching your roof / gutters so that I can actually service the roof and prevent any scratching or paint removal. I've seen lots of damage to asphalt roofs because of branches brushing against the shingles. So we'll get that taken care of for you at no extra cost. Excuse me, swallowed a bug. Essentially, the shingles here, the best investment for you guys would probably be to the roof conditioning treatment. They're not actually shingles the way they used to anymore. Unfortunately, the roofing manufacturers are watering down their product. They're putting more crushed limestone into their shingles, which actually, in effect, you're getting all that that black streaking. It's an algae feasting on the limestone, and that left untreated can shorten the lifespan of your roof. So it's a sign that your shingles are basically drying out. And a conditioning treatment with the Roof Max oil that we help you out with is going to rehydrate those shingles so they can expand and contract, and make sure that your shingles will be, susceptible, be able to withstand the next hailstorm. It's going to keep your roof on your house forever, or for each treatment extends it another 5 years. So at the end of this inspection that I'm doing here, take a look at this brief informational video that explains how you can extend the life of your roof and save yourself a lot of money. When it comes to your roof and the moss and the lichen, a little bit's starting to develop here right under your windows. So whichever method you decide to go with will take care of that. And then when it comes to the siding, the moss and the algae and the mold, our gentle detergent wash will take care of that without any damage or damage, because we use no more pressure than you would with a garden hose. And our detergent does all the work for us. But we have commercial industrial grade washers that allow us to wash your house down efficiently from the ground with no ladders. So it's super safe to you. You don't have to worry about liability and anything while we're here, and we're fully insured and all that. So obviously, if you were to put a power washer in here and blast away at it, you get good results for a short term. But what a lot of people don't realize is that over time, the sun and the UV rays actually starts to break down the layers of your siding, and that's called oxidation. So when you're power washing your house and you don't perfectly methodically wash every single surface the exact same pressure and distance, you can actually leave lap lines and marks in your siding. So definitely something you want to avoid if you can. It's really not the best way to go about washing your siding. Well, thanks so much for having me here. We specialize in this. We've helped a lot of your neighbors here in the neighborhood. So look forward to working with you. Any questions you have, don't hesitate to give me a call. You can reach me on my personal cell, 815-520-6020. Take care. Thank you.
There is never a good day on your roof. Temperatures can climb to over 140 degrees, causing the roof to expand. Passing rain showers quickly cool the roof, creating rapid contraction, known as thermal shock. Your asphalt roof must remain flexible to withstand these extreme stresses. Oil within the asphalt allows for this flexibility. Depending on region, a roof begins breaking down between 7 and 10 years of age because the oil begins drying out of the asphalt, causing the roof to become increasingly brittle over time. With loss of flexibility, it starts to crack and begins slowly breaking apart, the same way cracks eventually turn into a pothole in an asphalt road. Roof Max is a 100% safe, all-natural food-grade oil. The spray-applied treatment quickly penetrates roof shingles, restoring flexibility and waterproofing protection. Each treatment is guaranteed to last 5 years and comes with a transferable warranty. And because Roof Max treatments are repeatable, a roof can be greatly extended past its expected life. Treatment is quick, clean, and very affordable. Get more life for less money, guaranteed, with RoofMax, a powerful fusion of science and nature.